Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Ayan this side. So today we are going to discuss another topic. The topic name is like middle of the linked list. It is like the 876 problem of the LeetCode. It is a easy problem, but you try to understand the problem is little bit not a hard and little bit medium. Okay, so basically this video is like I'm making for to understand the concept of this problem of the linked list. Okay, so basically like the problem is saying that like given the head of the single linked list, written the middle node of the linked list. Okay, for example, like you see the sample input one, for example one, like 1 2 3 4 5, it is the linked list. Okay, and the output is 3 4 5. So like you want to print after the middle. Okay, so what is the middle? Middle is 3, so 3 4 5 you want to print it. Okay, you see the example 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So like what is the middle? So middle is like 4 5 6. We want to simply print. Okay, so how to calculate the middle and how to solve this problem? Now, firstly, like you want to count this like 1 2 3 4 5, then divided by 2. Okay, then skip that part, then after that you print it. Okay, so basically that's the problem. So I hope you understand very well. So you did not understand very well, so don't worry about this. I write the code so you understand very well. So firstly, like I initialize this like integer n equals to 0, and then like I create the temporary variable like temp equals to is equal to head. Okay, then I am using the while loop because like I want to count of this linked list, what is the count of the linked list. So like I am using the temp is not equals to null. Okay, so I simply like increase the n plus plus, and then temp equals to is temp dot next. Okay, so like the count will be stored in the n, so the value of n is the count of the linked list. Okay, then basically like I want to half of this linked list, so integer half equals to n by 2. Okay, like for example, I'm just explaining it. For example, like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, this is the linked list. Okay, so you don't know what is the what is the count of the linked list. So firstly, like I am using the while loop on like 16, line number 16 to 19. Okay, line number 16 to 19, I am just like count of the linked list. Like for example, the count of the linked list is 5. Okay, so this is 5, I am divided by 2, so it is 2, obviously 2. So like 2, for example, like 2 2s are 4, so it will be start like 0 1 2, so it will be start like 3 4 5. So I want to print 3 4 5. Okay, so I want to skip that part, and then I want to print 3 4 5. So basically that's the problem. So that's why I'm create the temporary variable, and then I want to count this. So the count will be stored in the n, and just syntax error, just a minute. Okay, so like this is the integer half equals to n by 2, and then again temp is equals to head. Okay, so I am using the another loop like while half is not equals to 0. Okay, half is not equals to 0, and then that's why this condition is. So for example, temp equals to temp dot next, and then half increase it. Okay, so this loop will be ended, and simply I return temp. Okay, so I am just run this code. I hope this code is working fine, not and give any error. Okay, so this loop is working fine, and after I try to submit this code, because like some inbuilt test cases also available in the LeetCode, so that's why. Okay, so my code is working fine, so I explain this code. I run this code, so understand very well what is the happen of this inside of this code. Okay, so the problem is that, like for example, I am just checking the example one. The example one is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so like you see the line number 13, I am just like create the integer n equals to 0, because I want to count of the linked list. Okay, so like I am just like create a temporary variable is equal to the head, and like I am using the condition like while temp is not equals to 0, so I will be increase the n plus plus, and temp is temp dot next. So okay, so what is the n? So after this loop the n will be 5. Okay, then after it, like in line number 20, I want to half of this the n. So what is the half is uh 5 by 2, so half is 2. Okay, so for example, like then after that I am using the condition. Okay, so half is not like, firstly like initialize again the temp equals to head. Okay, so what is the temp is like 1 2 3 4 5. This is the like linked list form. Like you know that what is linked is the next data is available on the previous node. Okay, so basically like half is not equals to 0, then using the condition like temp equals to temp dot next. Okay, then half increase minus minus, so it's go through the condition like in this position. Then after that I simply return temp. So what is the temp is 3 4 5. So basically that's the problem. So I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt of any line, so please comment on this video. Okay, and please subscribe it. So thank you so much, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.